In 2026, the confusion is no longer about what AI is. It's about why job titles are changing, why companies now talk more about AI engineers than data scientists, and why beginners are unsure what skills actually matter anymore. So, in this video, we'll clearly break down AI versus data science versus machine learning, how these fields really connect in real jobs, how they differ in practice, and which path makes sense if you want skills that stay relevant beyond 2026. Let's start with data science because this is where most people begin. And data science is all about using data to understand what is happening and predict what might happen next, since companies collect massive amounts of data from websites, apps, customers, and machines, but raw data is useless on its own. So, a data scientist cleans the data, analyzes it, finds patterns, and turns it into insights that businesses can use to answer questions like why sales dropped, which customers might leave, or what demand will look like next quarter using statistics, mathematics, programming, visualization, and sometimes machine learning. And an important thing to understand is that not every data science problem needs machine learning, because many powerful insights come from simple analysis, trends, and dashboards. So, in one line, data science is about understanding data to support better decisions. Now, this is where most confusion starts because machine learning sits in the middle of data science and artificial intelligence. And machine learning is about teaching machines to learn patterns from data instead of writing rules manually, where you give the system historical data and it learns how to make predictions or decisions on new data like detecting spam, recommending movies, predicting prices, or spotting fraud. Which means machine learning is often used inside data science to improve predictions and is also a core building block of many AI systems. But the key thing to remember is that not all data science uses machine learning and not all AI systems require machine learning. So you can think of machine learning as the bridge that connects data science and AI. Now let's talk about artificial intelligence or AI, which is about making machines behave in a way that looks intelligent to humans because instead of just analyzing data and giving insights, AI systems are designed to act, decide, and respond in complex situations by performing tasks that usually require human intelligence, like understanding language, recognizing images, learning from experience, making decisions, or generating content such as text, images, or music, which includes chatbots, voice assistants, self driving cars, recommendation systems, and generative AI tools like ChatGPT. And unlike data science, where outcomes are usually defined from the start, AI deals with open ended problems where rules are hard to write and system learns patterns from data and improves over time. To connect everything clearly, data science focuses on understanding and analyzing data. Machine learning uses that data to learn patterns automatically, and artificial intelligence uses machine learning along with other techniques to build systems that can act on their own. So, a simple way to think about this is that data science provides insights, machine learning learns from the data, and AI uses those learned patterns to make decisions and take actions. Now, here's the easiest way to remember the difference where data science is about understanding and predicting, machine learning is about learning patterns from data, and artificial intelligence is about acting intelligently using those patterns. Meaning, data science tells you what is happening and what might happen. Machine learning finds patterns automatically, and AI takes action based on those patterns, and this single mental model explains almost everything. The goal of data science is to extract insights and patterns from data with clear and measurable outcomes like improving revenue or reducing risk. The goal of machine learning is to continuously improve predictions or decisions as more data becomes available. And the goal of AI is to create systems that show intelligent behavior in complex situations where rules are difficult to define, which is why data science is insight driven, machine learning is learning driven, and AI is behavior driven. Now let's see the applications where each one is used. Data science is commonly used for sales forecasting, fraud detection, risk analysis, customer segmentation, and business intelligence. Machine learning is used for recommendation systems, spam detection, credit scoring, and demand prediction. And AI goes a step further into chatbots, voice assistants, autonomous vehicles, medical imaging, robotics, and generative AI systems. Now let's talk about the careers in data science versus machine learning versus AI. A data scientist typically works deep in the data, focusing on analysis, modeling, and insights. A machine learning engineer focuses on building and optimizing models. And AI roles are broader, and many include AI engineers, researchers, product specialists, or system designers. And an important trend to understand is that pure data science roles are decreasing while hybrid roles combining data science, machine learning, and AI skills are increasing. So, which one should you choose? If you enjoy working with data, explaining insights, and helping businesses make decisions, then data science is a great starting point. If you enjoy building models and improving predictions, then machine learning is a strong direction. And if you enjoy building intelligent systems and modern applications, then AI focused roles may suit you best. But the smartest approach today is to start with data science fundamentals, add machine learning, and then move into AI. Because strong AI professionals almost always understand data deeply. So, to sum it up in the simplest terms possible, data science is about understanding and predicting using data, machine learning is about learning patterns from data automatically, and artificial intelligence is about using those patterns to build systems that act intelligently, which means they are closely connected but not the same thing. If this video helped you finally understand the difference between AI, data science, and machine learning, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more clear and practical tech explanations. And let me know in the comments which path you're more interested in and why. Until next time, keep learning.